I've done this a lot the past 2 years, but haven't really done one this year yet. So to begin with breakfast, I made pour over coffee, same as every morning. This is a daily routine for me. I've been tapering down on my coffee intake and I finally brought it down to 0 cups. I don't have to drink any coffee to function, but I just like the smell and taste, so I drink about a half a cup a day, and the rest of this is original. Most days I skip breakfast, but when I think about my health, drinking coffee first thing on an empty stomach, that doesn't sound so healthy for my stomach lining, so I'm going to enjoy it with the viral Goguma bang, which translates to sweet potato bread. This is so viral and hard to come by these days, at least in the Chicagoland area. Maybe it's because of Andrew's table, because we promote it so much. But this will be the perfect small breakfast so that I can go on with the day of chores around the house. I gotta do laundry and clean, all while working on a ton of editing. It's just delicious. I really like sitting here by myself and doing my work and looking outside. It's a little gloomy today. I love my breakfast nook area. I also feel like sometimes I'm on neighborhood watch because I feel like I know my neighborhood really well. Like I know my neighbors, the cars, everything. So when I see something suspicious, I start taking pictures just in case it can be of help in the future. This is a side of me that's obsessed with like crime and stuff. Breakfast is finished. Oh my god. Anyways, I was gonna say is, oh my god. Now that I'm done with breakfast, I'm going to write in my prayer journal, and this has nothing to do with what I eat in a day, but it's just something I wanted to add. I have been really enjoying it. I've only done it for like 2-3 weeks now. It's not long, but it's a good way for myself to write down my prayers and keep myself accountable, but also just see like how my prayers have changed and see how God has answered it without me even really thinking about it. And I feel like it'll be good to look back later on. So that's something I'm gonna do now. And then I'll probably just watch TV and edit. But for lunch, I have something special prepared. It's lunchtime and I'm bundled up because we're gonna go outside to have ramen. It's freezing cold, but it's sunny. I'm hoping that the sun will help us out, and I don't know, I just felt like ramen outside in the cold would taste so good. And I also wanted to test out and try my new butane burner that I just got, so let's head out. This is the butane burner. I just ordered off of Amazon after posting it as like a, what color should I get for, on a, oh my god, I can't talk. On our Instagram stories. This is what it looks like. You guys voted on me getting the mint color. It's beautiful. Oh my. I'm gonna do it the Korean way and just use scissors. Isolating. Oh. Oh, oh.
They're pretty good. Bush, yogurt, blueberries, and granola. Oh yeah, you got it. There you go.
I am back home from Costco and I'm changed and I'm in my home clothes, but we are going to be making pasta sauce right now because these tomatoes just have to go. So I'm gonna make a tomato sauce with some basil in it, make a side pasta, and we'll enjoy it with cauliflower pizza that I just got from Costco because it was on sale and it's one of my favorites from Costco. So it's gonna be a very simple dinner, and yeah, I'm gonna make the sauce right now. Then I'll watch some Love is Blind and do some editing, and then we'll finish off the cooking later. This is the pizza we are gonna have. My favorite. I love this pizza. Completely butchered this. Whatever. So there's 2 in here. Be a neighborhood watch. Anyways, but I am making quite a bit of pasta because any of the leftovers from today could be eaten tomorrow, which means, like, you know, I don't have to think about a lunch. So yeah, this is gonna seem like a lot of food, but there's a purpose. Wow, this looks